To play the CD player in the house, you need to open the WiiM app and go to the go to the devices page down at the bottom, and you need to start playing the CD player manually. You can't control it from the app, so start a CD playing, and then from the devices page you need to touch the main house inside tab. The color that it is depends on whether there's music playing in it or not, but you can touch one of the other tabs and then go back to it to make sure that it's selected. If it was already selected, it'll take you to the now playing screen, and you can just hit back. So once main house inside is selected, that box, you go to the Browse tab at the bottom left, and then you go all the way down to the bottom, and there's CD player. So once the CD player is playing in the main house, you can go back to devices and group zones with the chain link icon on main house inside, and then you can add other zones and play it elsewhere. The only way to play it in other zones and not in the main house inside is to do what I just did, and then you turn down the volume in main house inside. It has to be. Oh, that's interesting. I guess when the volume's all the way down, the volume's all the way down, it actually mutes it on the other zones, it looks like. So I guess you need to have it up a little bit inside, and then it plays outside just fine. But if you turn it all the way down inside, it just stopped outside. So you need it like one click up, and you'll see the little icons go to X's when it's muted. And when you mute it in main house inside, it mutes it everywhere. So if you wanted to play it for some reason outside but not inside, you have to put it in both areas and then turn down the inside like almost all the way, and that works. That's just a limitation of the system. So that's pretty much it for the CD player. The trick is you have to have the main house inside selected and then go to browse, and it'll show up at the very bottom of the list.